So morning friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of U8 Ultra, and this is from Kalobi America. It is a copy version of Galaxy Watch Ultra. We have yet another version of the Galaxy Watch Ultra copy. So I will put the link in the description. Seller is Zorwing, and you can buy this from AliExpress. It has all of the great features, and it comes with AMOLED display and the fastest processor that you can get on Galaxy Watch Ultra copy. So we have this in two colors. One is in black and the other one is in white. And here, as you can see, the box looks really great. So U8 Ultra is the model number, and you can pair it with your Android or iOS device, but you can only receive notifications, and you are not able to answer calls on the watch, which is quite unfortunately disappointing. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off. It comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. So it's quite expensive compared to other Galaxy Watch Ultra clones which I've reviewed on this channel. So let me just peel this plastic from this one as well. And we have in two colors, white and black, as you can see. So let me just quickly show you what's inside the box. I will open the one for the black one. As you can see, you get quick start guide, which you can read if you like, but we don't need that actually. So we get a cover case. It's really nice that you get a free cover case inside the box, and here is our charging dock. So here's the watch, and it really looks like the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra from the side as well. So let me just quickly grab the white version, and as you can see, both of these side by side. And I mean guys, they really nailed the design, honestly, and it does look like the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let me just quickly put these to the side and let's grab our watches. And as you can see, from the side, the body looks exactly like the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is really nice to see. And as you can see from the back, there is pre-installed screen protector on the front, and as you can see on the left hand side, you get a SIM tray as well and a speaker grill. So it does support 5G SIM, and you can also connect it to Wi-Fi, but you have to make sure and confirm with the seller which bands are supported in your region. So there is the cover case, and let's put it on. Looks really nice. So yeah, overall the build quality is amazing guys, even though it's plastic from the side, but it does match with the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'm really liking the design so far. As you can see, there's the plastic on the back. Let me just quickly remove it as well. And let me know in the comments down below which version you like more, the white one or the black one. It's quite expensive actually compared to the other watches, as I've told you previously. So I'm going to be comparing in the next video all of the Galaxy Watch Ultra copies, excluding the DT watch, because I really don't prefer that one. That does not come with the AMOLED display. These two comes with original AMOLED display, and the rest of the clones, Watch Ultra 7 and H28 Ultra. So let me just quickly remove the plastic from the back. So it's really well protected guys. And yeah, so let me just quickly turn this on. And on the side you get a rotating camera. So the mechanism is also similar to the H28 Ultra and to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So it's similar. You can easily change the straps. And the strap quality guys, I'm really liking the strap quality. So let's turn this on. As you can see, 5G plus. And they are using the real AMOLED display. I mean, the clones are getting really better in terms of performance and the display quality. So as you can see, Android, we get an Android logo. You get Android 9.0, and here's our instruction. You can insert the SIM card. You can use this without inserting the SIM card as well. So let me just quickly show you. Select the language. Now it's loading. So The first boot takes a little bit time, and now it's booted, as you can see. Guys, the display looks amazing, guys, and the performance, let's see the performance. I believe this is the button to get into the menu. Check the smoothness, guys. I'm really blown away by the smoothness. I wish that they made a version which does not have that rotating camera. Instead we get rotating crown key. And check, guys, check the smoothness and the display. It's 90 Hz refresh rate, which is amazing. And let me just select this watch face. Check the smoothness. It's similar to H99, which I've reviewed previously. The smoothness is almost the same compared to that watch. This is the second watch that I'm using, which is really fast, because I believe it is using quad-core processor. So yeah, you get a full-fledged Android smartwatch which is really fast, and but it's quite expensive, guys. Still not expensive as compared to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let me just go back and let's just quickly compare it with the H28 Ultra. As you can see, the display is only flickering in the video, but in real life it is not flickering actually. So I don't know why it's flickering in this video. And the U8 Ultra is not flickering. The display is not flickering. So, but yeah, still honestly, guys, it beats all the other clones in terms of performance and smoothness. Seriously beats all of the other watches. And check this watch face. So yeah, let's not get crazy about the smoothness. So I'm really impressed by the smoothness actually. So let me just go and change the watch face again. Let's select this watch face and check the compass smoothness, guys. Awesome performance, guys. And I wish that they made a version which does not have Android and SIM tray, because I believe the battery life is not going to be that great compared to H28 Ultra. So here's our SIM tray. You can insert your SIM card. So yeah, but in terms of battery life, these Android watches do not last that long compared to the other clone watches, because the Android system is really heavy and you can get around 1 or 2 days of battery life, depends on the usage. So that's why I don't want them to make Android smartwatches. Just make a Bluetooth one and you get a great battery life with this type of performance. It will be the best clone in my opinion, because this one seriously, guys, beats all of the other Galaxy Watch Ultra clone in terms of performance. So yeah, we have all the good stuff like Google Play Store, and you can also watch YouTube videos. So here's the side-by-side comparison, and as you can see, the design on the H28 Ultra does not match with the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, but U8 Ultra design does match with the original one. So yeah, and the display quality is also stunning on U8 Ultra. Don't get me wrong, guys, H28 Ultra also has some advantages over the U8 Ultra, which I will be comparing in my next video. So stay tuned for that, and click on that subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Let's open our menu on both of these, and as you can see on H28 Ultra, the menu looks like Apple Watch Ultra. So here we have different types of menu style. In H28 Ultra we also have different type of menu styles, but the stock one does not look like the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And check the smoothness, guys. This U8 Ultra is beating H28 Ultra in terms of smoothness and performance. I am still using daily H28 Ultra, but I'm going to be using this, and I believe that the battery life is not going to last that long. It also does have rotatory camera, which I really don't like. I wish that they made this into a crown key so it's easier to navigate, and we don't need camera in the smartwatches, honestly guys. So it does have face unlock, but honestly guys, the camera quality is not that great. I wish that they made crown key instead of rotating crown key instead of rotatory camera. So it's my personal opinion. And the heart rate sensor is also really good. So as soon as I put this on the table, it gives you an error. Heart rate is also really good on the H28 Ultra. So let me know in the comments down below guys if you like this video. And there is no always on display in these, unfortunately, and I will be comparing it with the H28 Ultra and Galaxy Ultra 7. So stay tuned for that video. And if you like this video guys, please leave a comment down below. It does come with the palm gesture and raise to wake feature, which I will be showing in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot for watching my video guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.